In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a Canva poster step by step, whether it's for print, social media, an event, or a business promotion. If you've never designed anything before, don't worry. Canva makes the entire process simple and beginner-friendly. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clean, professional-looking poster ready to download. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design guides. Now, let's get started. First, we need to start with the right canvas size. Open your browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create a Design in the top right corner. Here, you'll see different size options. If you're designing something for print, choose Poster, which is 42 by 59.4 centimeters. If you need something smaller, like a flyer or handout, choose A4. And if you're creating something for social media, select Instagram Post. Choosing the correct size at the beginning is very important because it prevents stretching, cropping, or quality issues later. Next, decide whether you want to use a template or start from scratch. The fastest and easiest method is using a template. On the left sidebar, click on Templates and search for the word Poster. Canva will show you hundreds of professionally designed layouts. Pick one that matches your style or theme. Once you click on it, it will automatically load onto your canvas. From there, you can fully customize it by changing the colors, fonts, text, and images. If you prefer complete creative control, you can start with a blank canvas instead. Now let's add your main visual, also known as the hero image. This is the attention grabber of your poster. If you're using a template, simply click on the existing image, then go to Uploads on the left sidebar and upload your own photo. Once uploaded, drag it onto the existing image and Canva will automatically replace it. Make sure your image is high quality and clear. A strong visual instantly makes your poster look more professional and engaging. After that, add your headline. This is the biggest and most important text on your poster. It should clearly communicate the main message, whether it's an event name, a sale announcement, or a campaign title. Click on the headline text in your template and type your own. Keep it bold, easy to read, and short. Avoid using too many fonts. Ideally stick to 2 font styles for a clean design. Next, add supporting text. This includes important details like the date, time, location, a short description, and contact information. Make sure this information is readable but smaller than your headline, so there's a clear visual hierarchy. Space everything evenly and avoid clutter. Good spacing makes your design look balanced and professional. Finally, export your poster. Once you're happy with the design, click on Share in the top right corner. Then click Download. Choose PNG if it's for digital use, PDF print if you're printing high-quality copies, or JPEG for smaller file sizes. Then click Download and your poster is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully designed a Canva poster from start to finish. As you can see, it's a simple process once you follow the right steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.